Time is precious. Make sure you spend it with the right people. Deep conversations with the right people are priceless. He truly loves you when he wants to know every little detail about your day, like what you did, where you went, what you bought, the stories of your success. You can judge a lot about a person's character by what they laugh at. Psychology says the best things in life are usually found when you are not looking for them. Life is like a book. Some chapters are sad, some are exciting, but if you never turn the page, you will never know what the next chapters hold. A lot of problems in the world would disappear if we talked to each other instead of talking about each other. Life is too short to waste your time on people who don't respect, appreciate, and value you. Spend your life with people who make you smile, laugh, and feel loved. Truth is like a surgery. It hurts, but it heals. A lie is like a painkiller. It gives instant relief, but has side effects forever. He truly loves you when he protects you when somebody tries to bully you. He defends you when someone criticizes you for no reason or tries to hurt you. Believe it or not, people fall in love with the person who is not afraid to leave them.